Good morning, children, and Saira. Let us begin with another part of EVS 1, lesson number 17, My Upbringing. In the last two videos, we watched about how we are influenced by our parents, by our grandparents, friends, relatives, and neighbors, how they help us in our upbringing, how we learn certain things from them, which helps us to grow in a very good way. So in today's video, we are going to see few more examples about upbringing. Now you can see a picture of a mama lion and baby lion. Mama lion is known as lioness and baby lion are known as cubs. Okay, so we are going to learn how the cubs learn how to hunt, how they learn to hunt as they grow up, and how much time do they require to become independent. That we are going to learn. How does a lion cub learn how to hunt? A lion cub is not able to hunt as soon as it is born. Yes, a baby lion, when it is a small cub, as soon as it is born, it will not go for hunting. It is obvious. So how many days or how many years does it take for a lion cub to become independent and to go for hunting? That we are going to see. It is taught how to hunt by its mother and other lionesses in the pride. Pride means group of lions staying together is known as pride. So a lion cub is being taught by its mother and other lionesses, female lion, not the male lion, female lion, that is the cub's own mother, and other female lions in the group, that a lion's group is known as a pride. They teach them how to hunt. Okay, these cubs are quite helpless for about the first 2 weeks. So for the first 2 weeks, when they are born, for the first 2 weeks, they are just come into the world. They are so tiny, they are so small, they don't even know what is going around. Yes or no? So they are helpless. They have to depend everything on their mother. See, we human beings, when we are baby, we depend on our parents now also. Yes or no? Because when we will become independent, when we go to office, when you start earning, yes or no, when you start getting money on your own, when you work somewhere, when you get money, that time you are going to become independent. But for that time means we human beings depend upon our parents for 18 years or 20 years or maybe more than that. Okay, so these lions, they take hardly 2 or 3 years to become independent. See, they are quick, they are animals, so they pick up fast. Even we humans, but we are dependent. We cannot do things on our own till we become 5 years or 6 years, whatever. Some children learns early, some children learn late. It depends upon. Okay, so they do not even open their eyes. Therefore, their mother keeps them hidden away from others. So for the first 2 weeks when they are born, their eyes are also not open fully. So they are very tiny, they are very scared, and their mother protects them, and it keeps them hidden from other animals. Okay, so hidden means it hides under the mother's hands. She must be putting around the cubs, and she must be protecting them for the first 2 weeks, because they don't even open their eyes. Okay, so the mother protects the cubs. When the cubs are about 8 weeks of age, okay, now 8 weeks have passed after they are born, they are introduced to the other members of the pride. And after 8 weeks gets completed, they are introduced to the other members of the pride, like other lions, other baby lions, other lionesses. So they are welcomed in that pride. All the lionesses take care of the cubs. Yes, it is not that only that mother will take care of her own cub. All the lionesses in the pride take care of anybody's cub. So see, so much understanding in animals also, and so much love in animals also. They cannot talk. Yes or no? They cannot talk. They are animals. But see the love and care they show towards one another. A cub is pampered by all of them until it is 3 months old. So a baby lion is pampered, it is being loved, it is being cared, it is being given everything whatever it wants till 3 months old. Okay, then it begins to learn how to hunt. So after 3 months, so how many months does a cub takes to hunt? 3 months. Okay, it begins to learn how to hunt. It is very quick. See, 3 months, a 3-month baby, a human being baby, and a 3-month lion. See, it learns to hunt. But a 3-month baby can't even walk, can't even talk, can't do anything on it. Just a human baby. Imagine of 3 months old. It is just a baby only. Nothing. Means compared to human beings and animals, if you compare, animals are quick in learning. Here only you can see the example. It takes 2 to 3 years for a cub to adapt to hunting. Okay, so here it takes how many? 3 to, see, this is little C-U-B, cub. Okay, it takes 3 to 2 years, 2 to 3 years for a cub to become adept to hunting. Means to become expert in hunting, it takes how many years for a cub? 2 to 3 years. So till he is 3, it is 3 years old or 4 years old, it becomes, very good in hunting. It can hunt on its own. So understood about a lion cub. What is told here? That a lion cub learns to hunt. It starts learning to hunt when it is 3 months old. Okay, it starts hunting when it is 3 months old, and it becomes perfect in hunting when it becomes 2 to 3 years old. Okay, so this is what we learned about lion cub in today's video. One more thing I want to show you all is, I want to tell you all, do you know why I have put, because we must have not heard about it before, but I would like to share with you this. Have you heard the names Hali Raghunath Baraf or Sameep Anil Pandit? These are the names of 2 children here. Hali Raghunath Baraf is the name of a girl. It is Hali, any you can pronounce. And Sameep Anil Pandit is the name of a boy here, who have done bravery acts and have won bravery awards that we are going to we see in today's video. Hali is a girl from Shahapur Taluka in Thane district. Okay, Shahapur comes in Thane district. She is a girl from Shahapur. She stays in Shahapur. Hali rescued her older sister from a leopard. Older sister means the sister is bigger to her. Yes, older means what? Big sister. So Hali is small sister and a big sister. So Hali rescued her older sister from a leopard. Rescued means she saved her sister's life, her older sister's life from a leopard. Leopards are so dangerous. She is just a girl, maybe 8 to 10 years old, just like you or maybe smaller than you, but she saved the life of her older sister from a dangerous leopard. Leopards are dangerous. Okay, when leopards attack any humans, they die on the spot. The human being is not alive anymore. Okay, or it may get severely injured. So she saved, it is such a big thing, such a appreciation thing, that she saved her older sister's life from a leopard. And Sameep, another boy which I told you, rescued buffaloes tied in a cowshed from a fire. Okay, so buffaloes were tied in the shed and fire took place. So he rescued all the buffaloes. How many I don't know, the number is not given, but buffaloes means maybe 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, but he saved the lives of the buffaloes when a fire was caught in the cowshed. So that is his bravery act which he did towards, just see, he's just a small kid. Even if we would have seen fire, we would have got frightened and we would have run away from there. But he did not. He risked his life. He went in danger. He untied the buffaloes which were tied in the cowshed, and he saved each and every buffaloes which were in the cowshed. And he himself he also rescued himself. So such a brave thing. So these 2 children, for their brave acts, the 2 were felicitated with the National Bravery Award by the Prime Minister of India in 2013. So these 2 incidents took place back in 2013. So they got a National Bravery Award. By whom they were felicitated? They were felicitated by the Prime Minister of India. And in which year? In 2013. Okay, so there are many children and many, not only children, but there are many people around in this world who do such bravery acts. and some are felicitated, some are not felicitated, but there are many people who risk their own life for saving someone else's life. It can be an animal, it can be a human being, it can be a bird, it can be anything, okay, but they risk their life. That means they are brave, they don't think of themselves, they are kind, they are brave, and they want to help others who are really in trouble and in danger, okay. So I want to do one thing, means I want to tell you one thing. What you all are going to do is, in your you can take your activity book. In that you are going to find 5 pictures and stories about girls and boys. Girls and boys means, you know, girls and boys, okay, who have not man and women, not bigger people who are more in age, like, you know, girls and boys means till 18 years or 20 years, okay, 1 to 20 years of age, and those girls and boys who in age 1 and 20, that they are called as girls and boys. You are going to stick pictures of these girls and boys, 5 pictures of any girls and boys who have done such bravery act and they have won awards. You can search it on internet. You can get information from newspapers, from various magazines or articles, but you have to search. You have to study a little bit about these things. So you are going to take help of your parents also. Ask them if they know, ask your relatives, ask your friends if they must be knowing about such people who have done who have won bravery award. And you have to stick pictures of these boys and girls in your activity book, and you will write in short what did they do, means how did they save the life of a person or an animal or bird. In short you will write like this: name of that boy or name of that girl saved the life of this in which year and won a bravery award, like that. So any 5 pictures of girls and boys who have won bravery award, this you will do it in your activity book. So a little bit information you need to collect, a little bit of, you know, you have to do a lot of browsing on the internet if you want to, or you can ask someone. You can read newspapers also. There are some daily, you know, on sometimes it comes in newspapers about news you have to watch. So you have to research a little bit, you have to search information, collect information, and then do this activity in your activity book. Okay children, so have you understood today's video? We saw about a lion cub, how much time does it takes to hunt, and when does it become perfect in hunting. And the another one we saw about boys and girls, small boys and girls who have risked their own life for saving an individual or an animal or bird, and they have won bravery awards. Okay, so thank you children for listening to me carefully, and without fail do this activity in your activity book. Okay children, thank you children, take care, see you in the next video.